Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about test cases, how to write a test cases and how to create test report in TS Master. Let's start. Here I am going to take a create new project. Okay. Yeah. Here we can take a test simulation or bus analysis. I am taking test solution. Okay. Test system and saving directory default directory article. Yeah, this is a window test system window. It is a open. Then here we need to first log in. This is for security purpose. We are giving a username and password here. I am giving, basically it will be a admin and admin has a password. So admin and admin as a password. Same is given here. Let's log in. Yeah, here we can change the username and password and add new username and password. Username we can give here and password as well as confirm password we can give. Here the priority of user, administrator and developer also we can give here. Like this I gave a Kavya and password as a developer. Okay, like how many users you can add for this, you can add here. And come to the system configuration. Here we will give a system name, test system name and description for the test cases. And in duty configuration, which hardware we are going to use test, that we need to add. How many issues are how many hardware we are going to test, that name we can give. Here I am giving STM32. When we created STM32, the manufacturer name, address and version name are already generated. Here we can add the image for that hardware also. This is an optional. Next, test parameter. In test parameter, we how many issues or hardwares we used, and that we can take a global parameter as well as hardware related parameters which we are created here. It is a global parameter, we can add by the right clicking, and same here also. Okay, next, test cases. Here we need to write test cases by adding test group as well as test case. Individually we can write. I'm taking one test group. In below that I am going to write a test cases. Okay. For each test case we need to write a script. Here we need to write a script in C script programming part. Then in report configuration we can give a location of log files as well as report path and all, and documentation or PDF form also we can. Here auto start generation completion also we can give in start after completion only auto generate of report, as well as test execution. After writing a test script we can execute, and test report automation we can generate, and test logs. What are the logs we are writing the test cases, that is showing the test logs. Let's start in the test cases. I'll open one and report. I already wrote a test case here. This is one test case. Here we are writing a script for ignition on state. If ignition and I taken parameters here S32, where I taken in test case report, and if ignition is on, headlight has to be on, then only test has to be pass. This is a script level OK. If ignition is on, headlight is on, then level OK. Else you can write a test fail. mm, yeah, here it is a test fail error level error in the ignition. And for this I'm going to do a manual test, so I'm going at a panel here. Okay, this is a display unit and a control unit. If ignition is on, start. If ignition is on, headlight has to be on. This is on. Here headlight is on. So let's check in the test report. I'll execute this report. Yeah, here the test cases are passed. This is what in the logs we can check. Ignition is on, headlight is on, the test cases pass. And in test the ignition is on, speed is greater than or equal to 0, so test cases pass. This is how I designed, that is shown in the logs. We can write all the test cases like this and we can execute. Then we can generate a test report automation. Yes. The test report will generate in word format. This is how it generated and how many times the test cases are checked and generated, that will be shown here. Yeah, the test case is pass. Ignition on, it's checking ignition is on, then the headlight has to be on, and this it will perform on pass. Yeah, here we can change PDF format or Word format. Still the PDF format is not working, it will be work in the future. And we can check by auto generate. When the test cases and executed automatically, the test report will open. We need not to check that. Here the log will show. This is all about the test case and report.